Anybody having fun yet? Whoa! It's windy out here. It's plus 2 degrees. Snow is melting. Yesterday was minus 21. Warmed up throughout the night. Do you ever get into it? Sometimes you're looking for things, you can't find it. Well, I can't find something right now, and I am not sure. When I used my tools last time, I was looking for 2 crescents that I don't know where they are, but it's blowing out there. The scenery is changing. Willie, get out of there! Bonyoc. What are you doing over there? If I remember correctly. I always remember correctly. I will be back. I found my crescents. Someone forgot to put them back where they belong. They've been sitting here for 3 weeks already. Just get up there, come on. Gets to the front of the truck. That don't make me happy. Okay. I think I got a bit of a situation where the bale grazing is. I see one of my portable windbreaks has moved, and I'm just wondering if it didn't break a fence. That ain't gonna make me very happy. And I should have checked up on that a couple hours ago because it's snowing out here. Anyways, we're repairing. All kinds of fun on life on a Manitoba farm. It don't look too nice out there. It's blowing. Cows are comfortable up behind the wind here. Well, let's see what's going to happen out there. I'm going to be back. We found the crescents. Found them. Good thing I kind of remember. What did I use them last? I used to take the cylinder off the plow so that I could put it on the snowblower, but I forgot to take the crescents back. Good thing they stayed in the tire. Good thing I remembered. The wire is down. Anyway, the cows are here at the bale grazing. This is where the portable windbreaks are. That was not supposed to be there. I would say that's 300 feet where this portable windbreak was, and it's caused some damage. It's broke a fence post here for me. And you can see where the wire was. This is where the fence post was. It's still moved about another 40 feet yet. Wind's got power. So anyways, we have some work to do. It looks like it just came off the corner post. Good thing it didn't break anything else. Let's get this wire out of here and string it back up. Gotta deal with it, eh, folks? This ain't staged. I wish it was. Oh man. Now that was my tripod, the snowbank. Only in Manitoba. Okay. I'm gonna take this wire, we're gonna tighten it back up. If I don't deal with this now, I'm gonna have cows in these bales. That's not where I want them. So I'm just gonna take this wire now while taking it and wrap it up here. Holy moly! That's what it looks like out there, folks. Try to tighten up this as best I can. Oh boy, are we having fun? Well, we don't have to worry about the sun being in your eyes today. Oh, well, I can see this from the yard, that I had a portable windbreak out of place. But I had a better look at it, that's by the bales. And if it's by the bales, I thought, it's broken a wire. It's broken a wire that the cows can get into the bale grazing here. Oh, holy moly. Feels like pellets coming onto my face. So anyways, got this corrected. I'll move this out tomorrow. Wind is so strong here. If we had a little more snow, what I usually do is just drive on the opposite side, because always a northwest wind will get them to move, or they'll even fall over. Wow, just that little bit of difference here behind those windbreaks, it makes a big difference. Anyways, we got it all corrected. Cal's got, hey, how you doing? Gonna get in the back. Okay, let's go where it's warm. That's the real thing, folks. Well, I'm in the truck now because it is cold out there when I had to deal with that. Now I'll have to put my coveralls now into wash because I washed them throughout the snow. Anyways, these are the portable windbreaks we have here. And they moved that out about it moved it about 300 feet. Broke a fence post, moved the wire out. Really no big damage done. I'm kind of pleased that could have been a lot worse. Could have had all the cows in that hay. At least the cows wouldn't have been hungry. It's blowing. I'm going into the shop where it's warm. We'll catch you later. See you next time.